How do I get time of a Python program's execution? I have a command line program in Python that takes a while to finish. I want to know the exact time it takes to finish running. I've looked at the timeEat module, but it seems it's only for small snippets of code. I want to time the whole program.
The simplest way in Python. This assumes that your program takes at least 1/10 of a second to run. Prints.
In Linux or Unix. In Windows, see the Stack Overflow question, how do I measure execution time of a command on the Windows command line? For more verbose output.
I put this timing.py module into my own site packages directory, and just insert import timing at the top of my module. I can also call timing.log from within my program if there are significant stages within the program I want to show. But just including import timing will print the start and end times, and overall elapsed time. Forgive my obscure seconds.str function, it just formats a floating point number of seconds to HHMSS.SSS form. Note, a Python 3 version of the above code can be found here or here.
I like the output the datetime module provides, where time delta objects show days, hours, minutes, etc. as necessary in a human-readable way. For example, sample output for example. Or, as JF Sebastian mentioned, this approach might encounter some tricky cases with local time, so it's safer to use.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.